More Om mushrooms. Brain fuel, mocha flavor. Immune plus, super berry. Paleo, keto friendly, vegan, gluten free. Gluten free, keto friendly. Paleo, mocha flavor. Right off the bat, the mocha flavor smells amazing. Super berry smells interesting. Let's mix these up, see what we get. So super berry, to me, has a very distinct smell and flavor. I haven't tasted it, but it smells exactly like there was a children's pink medicine that, for medicine, I guess it was okay, but that's exactly what it smells like. I guess I'll try it first since I'm talking about it. Didn't say anything about, like, shake for 5 seconds, which another product did a while ago. It's funny. Tastes fine. I like that it's got reishi, turkey tail, probiotics, naturally occurring vitamin C, immune and digestive support. What kind of probiotics do we have here? Oh, it's got the blazy eye, which is another type of medicinal mushroom. Bifidobacterium, 1 billion, and acidophilus. That is usually what I suggest to people if they just want to get into probiotics very cheaply, because those are the most well-researched. And not a bad idea, because they're usually only like $10 for 30 or 60, if that, maybe $11, somewhere around there. So the super berry tastes good. The smell was initially off-putting. But it's good. All right. Brain fuel. Folate, MCT, naturally occurring caffeine, reishi. 57 milligrams. That's not a lot of caffeine. Maybe similar to a regular cup of coffee, I think has around 60 or around 50 maybe even. 5 carbs. 1,000 milligrams MCT. Some folate. Lion's mane? Really? Oh, it's a proprietary blend. So at first I was like 3,000 milligrams of lion's mane, but no. Lion's mane is going to be the most ingredients, and it goes down from there. Anyways, let's see how that tastes. It's really freaking not exciting. I thought it'd be better than this. It tastes like really bad vending machine coffee, I guess. Like a vending machine mocha. It tastes exactly like that. Maybe you like vending machine coffee. I used to. But that's exactly what it tastes like, guys. So, probably going to have to say, for taste, that's my winner. Overall, I probably like all the ingredients in this better, though.